Good morning, everyone. This is the voice of Coach LANREX. See the first thing I will coming across my video, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification button, and then please do well to like and share it so you can push my video to a wider audience. I can see you guys' effort, so please let's continue. Please keep subscribing and liking the video so you too can push it very well. Thank you very much for that, and I'll be dropping the link to my community and my channel. If you are interested in joining my community and my channel, there we post high paying and legit updates, and we also talk about and teach how to take surveys and how survey works and how to earn also exactly on surveys. So now what I want to give to us, the update I want to give to us today is called Taka App. Now this Taka App is just like a streaming platform like TikTok, but this one they pay users for them streaming in the app. Exactly. So you can see that one is, you can see the difference between this app and TikTok. This one they stream users for what they pay users for streaming. For TikTok is only when they gift you, but this one there's also gifting there also. But the app pay users for what streaming. Exactly. Now before you even start anything, the first thing you're going to do is that you come here and come and do your face verification. Now the reason why I'm using a new created account, so you guys can understand how everything goes. So hope you are following. That's reason I'm not using my main account. So now you come here and complete your face verification. When you click on verify now, you can see you upload your profile, not AI generated, please, not AI generated, not a blurry photo, and just upload your photo. Then after I uploaded your photo, then you do a selfie. Exactly one. Then the second you do is you take a selfie. Give up. So now that is that on that. Now the next thing, after your face verification, you have the chance to what explore many things on this app, because without face verification there's any other if you put your ID or this thing, you only do face verification. You upload your selfie and you upload your photo and you take a selfie. Now the next thing, you come to tax center. Now this tax center is the major thing in this particular app. Is where you monitor your rewards. Exactly, you monitor your rewards. Now here in this part, you are going to this way you come here and do your daily checking. Exactly, the more you are earning reward, the more your money will increase. Exactly, any more points, that the more your money will increasing. Now all this start also here, and everything is blocked, so you come here and complete everything. You complete, say hi to 2 girls, chat to 2 girls for 4 rounds. So all this kind of thing is you are going to be interacting. Exactly. So now we are done with this part. I think we are done with this part now. Now this coin is just like we know our TikTok now, where we buy our different type of coin. So this is different as if you want to buy coin, I want to gift, you come here and you buy coin. Exactly. If you want to gift it to maybe a girl or a boy, so just come there. Now this is where you are going to cash out your money. Exactly, this is where you cash out your money. So guys, is when you have the point this gives one is beans. It's called beans. Exactly, the more you are earning, the more beans they'll be giving you. Exactly. And if you stream for almost 2 hours, exactly, they will give you 4,000 beans. That's $0.5. So just calculate that. The more you are streaming, you'll be earning more money. And when you are completing tax in the tax center, you'll be earning more beans. And the more beans you are earning, the more money you see, you convert it to coin. And this coin you can sell it. You can either withdraw in USDT. You can either yes sir. You can either withdraw in USDT or you can withdraw directly to your bank account. Hope you are following me. So now the next thing you're going to be doing is that you now are done with this part now. Now next thing you're doing is you come here, you come to party. Now this is the main part. This is where you are going to join people party. It's just like live stream. You know, when you're streaming, you are streaming live. You are streaming live. You join them, you join their live stream. You just like the same thing as party. You join their party, interact with them. Don't just join their party and just stand there and because of the money. You join your party. As you join, you be interacting. As you interacting, you completing more tasks. Hope you are following me. So you join their party and so on. So you join their party, see chat room. You want to chat with people. Make sure you're interacting. When you're interacting, more any money. Exactly. So people might even gift you. And if they gift you, you can go and redeem it. So that's all about this app. This app, you can make a lot of money from this app if you are very serious with it. Exactly, if you are very serious with it. So you just take this thing very serious, very serious. This usually favors those that are ladies, but those that are guy also, it will favor you also. So you just have to pay attention and just be consistent. If you are consistent, you withdraw money. The minimum withdrawal from this app is $10. Yes, $10. I said it earlier. You can either withdraw in USDT or direct your bank account. Exactly. So that's all about this app. You just can just explore the rest. It's not everything I will explore here. Can just explore the rest. Exactly. Explore the rest. Check how every button and everything looks like. So just explore it. First verify your face and yourself. You make sure you verify that first. Then after that, you keep doing the rest. Exactly. So that's just it. Please, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please make sure you like and share it. It's very important. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you in the next video.